If you are wondering if we have dual app feature available on the Motorola Edge 70, then the answer is yes, we do have dual app feature. In order to find it, you just have to go to settings. Next, in settings, we're gonna go to apps, and over here you should be able to find cloned apps. So over here you should be able to duplicate some apps. Unfortunately, it is not possible to simply duplicate any app. Only few apps can be duplicated with this method. As an alternative, you can also use a secure folder, which you can set up by going to security and privacy in settings. And then you should be able to find more security and privacy. And then in here we have the secure folder. And in my case, I have it already set up. In your case, you will have to set up the password. And essentially, you can choose to add apps that you already have installed, and they can be treated as duplicated versions, because the data that we have over here within the secure folder is separated from the data that we have outside of the secure folder. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.